Permutations continued. Permutation of alike things. The number of permutations of n things taken all at a time where p things are alike and of one kind, q others are alike and of another kind, and r others are alike and of another kind, and so on, is x equals to factorial n upon factorial q p factorial q factorial r, and so on. Now, permutation of repeated things. The number of permutations of n different things taken are at a time when each thing can occur any number of times is n to the power r. Explain this with some examples. Question number 1. Find the number of permutations of the letters of the word Allahabad. Solution. The word is Allahabad and it has 4 A's, 2 L's, 1 B, 1 H and 1 D. We have total 9 letters. So the number of permutations is factorial 9 upon factorial 4 factorial 2, because A is repeated 4 times and L is repeated 2 times, which is equals to 7560. Question number 2. From the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, how many 3-digit odd numbers can be formed when the repetition of digits is not allowed? The solution. The given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now the aim is to construct or to make 3-digit odd numbers. So we have 3 places. Now the last place can be filled in 3 ways, because the last place can be occupied with 1, 3 or 5, because we need an odd number. Now the place before that can be filled in 5 ways, and the place before that can be filled in 4 ways. So the total number of ways to make 3-digit odd numbers is 4 into 5 into 3, which is 60. Question number 3. Find the number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence. In how many of these arrangements? First part, vowels always occur together. Second part, vowels never occur together. Now solution. To arrange, what we have to do? We have to arrange 12 letters, 1I, 3N, 2D, 4E, 1P and 1C. Taken all at a time. This can be done in, so the total arrangement is factorial 12 upon factorial 3 into factorial 2 into factorial 4, which is equal to 1663200. Now the first part. Vowels always occur together. Vowels always occur together. Now considering all 5 vowels 1E and 4E as a single object X, and count the number of arrangements with X and remaining 7 letters. So we have to arrange 8 objects, 1X, 3N, 2D, 1P and 1C. This can be done in factorial 8 upon factorial 3 into factorial 2, which is 3360. Also the arrangement possible in X, which has 5 letters, 1I and 4E, is factorial 5 upon factorial 4, which is equal to 5. So the total number of arrangements where vowels occur together is 3360 into 5, which is 16800. Now the second part, vowels never occur together. So number of arrangements when the vowels never occur together is total arrangements minus number of arrangements when all the vowels occur together. So this is 1663200 minus 16800, which is equal to 1646400. Question number 4. there are 5 boys and 3 girls. In how many ways can they stand in a row so that no 2 girls are together? Now, solution. We have 5 boys and 3 girls. So step 1 is first fixing the position of 5 boys. Here I have shown 5 boys. Now 5 boys can arrange themselves in 5 P5 ways. Now step 2 is arranging girls so that no 2 girls are together. Now 3 girls can occupy any place represented by X. See, the girls can come here, either here, 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 here or here. So the 3 girls can occupy any place represented by X, and this can be done in 6P3 ways. So we have to basically arrange 3 girls in 6 places. So the total number of ways when no 2 girls are together is 5P5 multiplied by 6P3, which is 14400. Now this is your assignment 1 on permutation and combinations. Go through assignment 1.